Here's the other set. Oh, these. What the? These are even more cursed. This hurts. What is that? The butt. Does it even work? Does this work? Dude, does this call button even work? Might have to try it on another floor. Okay. Are you okay? This became a lot more interesting than I thought. Oh. Now you work? Which one's coming? Okay. Do I even want to ride these? Maybe someone was just holding it. Maybe the left one's broken. Someone was holding the right. Dude, this is... Yeah, well, we have an open machine room. Still got to go over units. There we go. We'll find out if the other one works. We'll go to 5 later. Alright, let's see how bad this is. Oh my god, what is that lantern? Alright. Camera got removed on this one too. Dude, this sucks. This is one of the most cursed elevators I've ever seen. Dude, this lantern though, does it even work? Dude, what is that? This one has a much better floor packing time than the other one did. I don't even know what these buildings are. I guess I'll find out. I'm in the left one now. The left of the entrance. Okay. Did the other one move? No, it's still on 5. Let's go get it. If it even works. See if we get a motor room take. We're just gonna wait until we get the other one, if we can. It's so weird. This is undoubtedly one of the most cursed elevators I've ever seen. Okay, let's see if it's here. Below the floor, I think. All right. Yeah, you don't work. This elevator looks like the cabs. Oh, we're stopping. Looks like some of the modern elevators I've seen. They got 17 months. Down. Yeah.
What you looking for?
No, I'm not looking for anything.
No, because the elevator company, I was working in that room.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is some of the most cursed elevators I've ever seen. That one's stuck on 5, I checked. This call button didn't work half the time.
Yeah? All right,
Yeah.
thanks.
This is some of the most cursed elevators I've ever seen. You have a good one. Even he understands. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother him, but yeah, motorroom was open. Alright, that's it.